Hello there, and we're back with another foreground kit. This is the last of my foreground kits now. This is the emergency lighting, and I held off on this one for good reason, because you see these little black bits that go over the acrylic plastic here, the yellow bit. Those little black bits, I'll try and see if I can get it to show up in the camera here. It's underneath this yellow piece of card. You can see that there, that big cross piece. That, in fact, is the part that you fold over these yellow light bits here, which is an absolute bloody pain in the ass to do. So I think what I might try is just super gluing one side, just get them in on the corner, and then PVA glue and fold on the rest, and maybe tie it down with an elastic band or something. But I've not been looking forward to this one, just because of those lights being the hardest bit to do. But aside from that, I think this whole kit looks pretty damn awesome. And yeah, I'm gonna have fun making this. So I'll just do a funky time lapse, have it in the corner or something, and then I'll talk and go over how I've jazzed it up a bit, because I want to weather it up and add on a few wires and things. Anyway, see you again soon. Bye. Hello there, and we're back. And how did we get on with this kit then? Well, it was an absolute pain in the bumhole to assemble because of these little bits here. I didn't even manage to get them all done right. It took me over a bloody hour to sort it all out, and I thought, you know what? I also screwed up because these round bits aren't actually meant to be the stands. They're just meant to be a thing. What would you call it? It's almost like a stencil type thing, a framework, just to hold in these legs so that they all go into the right formation. So you're not actually meant to glue it down, but I did because, well, I'm an idiot. So I thought I'd try something fancy. And I thought, you know what? I'll add a cable and stuff. And I thought I'll make it a little reel around here. So there's like a little square of card, and then I put some more pieces of card just underneath, round card, and I thought I'd make it into some tubing so that it would link in. I even had like micro magnets to stick it all in, but I thought after it taking me a bloody hour to assemble these things and I still didn't get them right, oh my goodness, what a farce. I thought, I'm not going to give myself more hard work with this, so I'm just going to rip this freaking thing off now. And there you can see how I made it. So whatever it, if I am going to try and go down this kind of route again, rather than use wire like this, which when you try to lay it flat, absolutely bloody won't, use thread instead, because it'll just naturally fall to the ground. This naturally won't. You gotta stretch it out, and then it just wants to bend in its own way anyway. So yes, use thread instead. But I'm gonna recycle this wire. Might be able to turn that into a base still. Yep, I'll recycle this wire and use it for other builds. But anyway, that's it done. If you are going to make this thing up, I'd say don't even bloody well bother with these little things on the ends of the lights. Did they look great? Yes. But is it worth it? At what cost? At what cost? It's madness. Anyway, that's my review. Skill rating of 3. Bloody hell. And it's out of 5 as well, so yeah. Maybe I'll try a harder kit next time. Give myself a real praise. That's all I've got for you today, so bugger off. Bye. Good riddance.